guys, it's Lynette here. Today I'm going to bring you into my journey in using family care treatment. I'm going to start off by grabbing a small amount of cream. A little does go a long way. Before blow drying, I recommend that you part your hair because it helps you work easier and you won't get those bumpy waves that you can't see. Oh, before, after, before. I always like to add moisturizer to my hair because the heat always causes excessive dryness. I definitely love how soft my hair feels, and I'm really surprised on how much moisturizer it gave my hair. And there you have it, America's Next Top Model. If you would like to know more information about family care treatment, go to their Facebook page and join their Facebook community page. Until next time.